Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got these two blue squares. This is the first blue square, and this is another blue square, along with this segment AC put together, as you can see in this given diagram. And as a result, we are ended up with this green shaded triangle ABC. And moreover, this segment AC length is 17 units, whereas this segment CD length is 7 units. And now our task is to calculate the area of this green shaded right triangle ABC. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and here's our very first step. Let's focus on this larger blue square. I'm going to label its side lengths as lowercase a, then this is going to be lowercase a, and lowercase a across the board. And now we are going to focus on this smaller blue square. I'm going to label its side length as lowercase b, then this side length is going to be lowercase b, and this side is going to be lowercase b as well. And furthermore, this angle has got to be our 90 degrees angle, since we are dealing with these blue squares. And now, since we are interested in calculating the area of this triangle ABC, so therefore let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And in our case, the base of this triangle ABC is this part, which is lowercase b, whereas the height of this triangle is lowercase a. So therefore, our triangle ABC area is going to become a half times a times b. And this could be written as AB divided by 2. So thus the area of this triangle ABC is supposed to be a times b divided by 2. So therefore now our task is to find the value of a times b. And now we are going to focus on this right triangle ABC. And we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is 17, whereas our two other legs are lowercase a and lowercase b. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got a square plus b square equal to 17 square. Let's simplify furthermore. That's going to give us a square plus b square equals to 289. And now I'm going to label this one as our equation number 1. And here's our next step. We know that this segment CD length is 7 units. In other words, this larger square's side length is lowercase a, and the side length of this smaller square is lowercase b. So therefore we conclude that a minus b has got to be equal to 7. So therefore we could write the difference of these two side lengths. A minus b is going to be 7 units. And now I'm going to tweak both of these sides by taking a square on both sides of this equation. And now let's recall this famous identity. A minus b whole square could be written as a square plus b square minus 2 times ab. And we are going to apply this identity on the left hand sides of this equation. So therefore the left hand side is going to become a square plus b square minus 2 times ab equals to 49. And now let's focus on this equation 1. We know a square plus b square value is 289. So therefore I'm going to replace this a square plus b square with 289 over here. So therefore we could write 289 minus 2 times AB equals to 49. And now I'm going to move this 2 times AB on the other side, and at the same time I'm going to move this 49 in the opposite direction as well. So therefore we could write 2 times AB is going to be equal to 289 minus 49. And now let's simplify furthermore. 2 times AB equals to 240. And now I am going to divide both sides by 4. And on the left hand side, this reduces to A times B divided by 2 equals to, on the right hand side, it's going to give us 60. So thus our A times B divided by 2 value simply turns out to be 60. And now let's recall once again, the triangle ABC area is equal to A times B divided by 2. And our AB divided by 2 value is 60. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. So this triangle ABC area turns out to be 60 square units, the area of this triangle ABC. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this triangle ABC turns out to be 60 square units. In other words, the area of this triangle ABC turns out to be 60 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.